Hello everybody. Today is Thursday, September 14th. It's 4:06 p.m., 6 minutes after the regular session close. On my left is the time and sales for the Emini S&P, currently trading at 24.96. It was a pretty decent day for the auto trader today. First up is the gold contract on a Superenco 14 tick. This 14 tick time frame seems to be a pretty good time frame for catching larger moves and also eliminating noise. So anyway, here on the gold, it did 1410. It might have hit its goal and had slippage. I think our goal is 1500 on this one. No, it's a little higher than that. Anyway, pretty good performance here. The question has come up, does your system ever lose? You only show winning charts. I'm going to address that right now. Absolutely, there are losing days on every chart that is showed. For example, this is the bonds on the 377 tick. Now notice the loser is not that big. It had a winning trade, then it had a losing trade. So it had an equity high of almost $300 or $300 if not, and ended up a losing day. What I'm trying to show in my videos is I show what charts won that day, and I'm trying to show consistency. Usually whatever charts we're looking at, you've seen in previous videos before. So we focus on the winners, but no trading system has 100% winning days, and certainly we don't. There are winning charts. It doesn't mean the system got stopped out at its full stop loss either. Every chart has a daily goal and a stop loss limit. And that's really necessary so that you don't have a runaway losing day. Okay, now back to the winners. Here's the crude oil on a 2-tick Super Renko, 2-tick Precision Renko, and there was quite a few trades on this chart. I brought it close together so you could see the equity curve. Looks like we had an equity high of about $1,100, and then we had a string of losers here and a few winners towards the end to finish up. Now this chart, I would say, is more of a scalping system. So for those of you that ask about can we effectively scalp, the answer is yeah, sorta. 6 or 7 ticks, I guess, could be considered a scalp in the crude oil, but that's essentially what we're going for. We're actually trading 3 contracts here. We're going for 6 ticks on the first contract, 7 ticks on the second, and then the third one we have as a runner. And you see these string of losers here. It could be a case made for just going for 3 to 4 ticks, because these might have been winners. It just this move was actually 5 ticks, maybe 6. So 3 or 4 ticks, all of these trades would have been winners, as well as all the other winning trades. So maybe I'll try that on a chart. But anyway, this did 960 with all those trades. We probably had a good $125 in commissions on that many trades, but nevertheless, it would still be a net of $800 or so. So pretty good day for this crude oil chart. Sometimes we have charts that have a really modest gain, and I don't bother to show them, such as this is the DAX on the Superenco 14 tick. Anyway, it was on the plus side of the ledger with a very small trade. This was towards the end of trading, so 150 on a single trade. Once again, we have the mid cap showing some good performance here. I believe our goal on this is $1,000 for the day, and it is. And we hit our goal and had 1 tick of positive slippage. So we've seen the mid cap. I've just begun to show it recently. So this did pretty good. So lately I have been trying some smaller time frames, like a Superenco 2-tick, and this played out pretty good. We had 2 trades back to back, and it did 675 on 2 trades. This one's trading 3 contracts. The Nasdaq on a Superenco 10 tick had 2 trades here, both short trades, and it did 755 for the day. The Emini S&P on a regular 3 Renko chart did 350 for the day. You can see the trades here. So it can work on a regular Renko chart, although I probably favor the Super Renko over this. But I wanted to run this for a while and see how it actually does. I think on these Renko charts you can use, maybe limit orders with a little pullback here. However, had I done that, I might have missed this trade here. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.